Do you dream of having your own special outdoor space? A small garden that you can admire, enjoy, and call your own. And then you stop and think, I have no idea how to make it. Well, you're not alone.
Over the past year, Monty Don has travelled up and down the country, visiting amateur gardeners and working with them to make their dreams come true. He's cast a critical eye over their plans.
Don't be too horrified, OK, Monty?
Everything's possible.
I know it seems unusual.
It's just profoundly unusual.
And given advice.
Just pinch that off.
But they took so long to grow.
He's got stuck in.
Oh, my goodness.
And everybody has worked incredibly hard.
Look at the size of that!
The results are truly exciting.
It's really nice.
I do believe that everybody, however small their garden, can cultivate a big dream.